It's very rainy here in England, and it's also a mail call. I've put this off for one day now, as this arrived yesterday, but it was too loud and also too dark to record, as I've learned from a certain Mark and David's mail call. So we're gonna get on with this. Gonna get it open. This is from Mr. Samuda, or Mr. Trevour Samuda, a great friend of mine and a great friend of the community. He served us well, and I know some things are in here, but there's two other mystery things that I have absolutely no idea what they are, so I can't wait to get them out and have a look. Right now, I believe I'm seeing some rather interesting and exciting modern classics, a series that I've really been enjoying. Let's tear this open. Looks like we have a Honda Prelude and a certain something else. Usual or unusual for me to do that in recording, but hey ho. And probably one of my favourites from this set is the Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4, known as the Mitsubishi Gto here. One of my friends' mums actually own one of these in real life, except it's a Mitsubishi Gto. Her tag is that white Gto on Instagram. Shout out to her for a very nice car. And also very nice is this fantastic 98 Honda Prelude. As everyone knows, this is one of my favourite castings, and for good reason. I absolutely love these things. The detail on it is incredible. I can't wait to compare that to mainline. Just generally a very, very good casting, and something that I just can't put down. Absolutely, it is another packaged bad thing. I'm not sure what is in here. I know that it's another one of the modern classics. I believe this is the Evo in here, but there's something else in here that I'm not sure of. We'll have a look though. Open her up, and oh, that thing is beautiful. It is the Evo 6 or Evo 5, can't quite remember. And actually, one of my favourite generations of Evo is the Evo 5, purely and simply because of the amber light surface. A bit off camera there. The blue paint really sparkles in that. Third brake light and everything's detailed fantastically. This thing's stunning, like genuinely, absolutely superb. This thing looks insane. Definitely be getting those things open. I can't wait. And the other thing I can't wait for is, since I've seen it, the Datsun Sunny truck, a BT or B120. This thing is insane. The detail on that rear end, the livery, just fantastic. Probably my favourite from this set, without a doubt. Riding low and slow, definitely a Japan look. And last look, or last out of the box, is of course a Mitsubishi 1971 MGB Coupe. Now that I remember it, I can actually remember him putting this in the box, and man, I love this casting. Details on the back are fantastic. Sorry if I'm a bit shaky, it's very cold out here. Just absolutely fantastic all the way around. The details on it are incredible. Sadly, no details on the front in terms of headlights, but I can ignore that. And lastly, we have a Trevour Samuda Collections decal on here. I know where that'll be going. We all know where that'll go. We're going Derek's box, where all the stickers go. And finally, a massive thank you to Mr. Samuda for this fantastic mail call. I just love these things. This set, everything about it is just fantastic. The only thing that would have made it better was if there was a Duke. Dukes make everything better. So it would be fantastic to see another modern classic soon with a Duke in. Sadly, that's not going to happen because I've seen the modern classics for next year and it's looking sweet. But thank you very much, Trevor. I will definitely be taking some photos of these very, very soon. Just as soon as the rain dries up and we stop having some terrible weather. There's Jerry, for anyone asking. I know Mustang Hunter loves to screenshot him and say he's depressed, which he's coined. It's quite rainy. But anyway, thank you very much, Trevor, and